Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this incredible tool which is called rubyscore.io. So let's connect my MetaMask wallet. So basically this app shows how many users are farming or transacting on all of these upcoming chains, upcoming tokens. And the best part is that you can see your personal statistics on each of these chains. For example, let's take Base. Right here, you can see that my balance is $2 and I am in the top 37%. Transactions on different days, top 8%, 24 transactions, and I am in the top 3% list. So this is insane tool because you can check how high you are in the rankings. Look at this, the gas spent. I am the top 1%. I mean, this is insane. Number of total transactions, top 3%. So you can basically see your data and how much you are interacting with all of these platforms. And the fact that 99% of people don't know about this website and they probably don't even check their score is quite big. So definitely check out this website. They have Linea, they have Scroll, Base, ZK Sync, basically all the biggest upcoming airdrops in my opinion. And if you don't want to miss on any valuable alpha and information like this, press the subscribe button and press the notification button. So every time I upload, you get that notification as soon as possible and you don't miss out on any valuable alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.